Welcome to this Figma shortcut guide. Mastering these shortcuts will help you speed up your design workflow. Let's get started. 1. To quickly rename multiple layers at once, select them all and press Ctrl R to bulk rename. 2. To easily select frames within your Figma file, press C plus Enter. This shortcut allows you to zoom into a frame and ensures that the frame itself is selected. 3. You can change the opacity of any selected element by pressing the numbers 0 to 9. 0 sets opacity to 100%. 1 sets opacity to 10%. 5 sets opacity to 50%. And so on. This is a fast way to adjust transparency without opening any menus. 4. If you need to change the color of multiple elements within a frame, start by selecting the entire frame. Then, in the right-hand Properties panel, look for the Selection Colors section. From here, you can change the color of all selected elements in one go. The new color will apply across every element in the frame that shares the same initial color. 5. Press Ctrl A to create an auto layout for the selected frame or elements. Auto layouts allow you to automatically arrange and space items based on their content, making the design responsive. 6. Press Ctrl Shift 3 to toggle between regular view and outline view, which can help you inspect the structure of your design and easily identify overlapping elements or hidden layers. And that's it. These 6 shortcuts will help you work faster and smarter in Figma. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.